your favorite Marvel superhero? Mine's Captain America, with Chris Evans' dashing looks and, of course, honor and bravery. Captain America has a signature shield with a star in the middle, made from vibranium, which does not exist as far as we know. We do have something similar though: composites, particularly carbon fiber reinforced thermoset composites, lightweight and strong like vibranium. If you're familiar with bikes, you might have heard of lightweight bikes made of carbon fiber composites. So why don't we use them more for cars then? They're as strong as steel but 5 times lighter, so they're strong enough to be structural components. They're lightweight, which would make our fuel consumption lower and will make cars even greener. The problem is, cars are made of thousands of parts. Composites are not reshapable, so it's hard for car manufacturers to make thousands of car parts from composites. For my PhD, my aim is to solve this problem by making composites reshapable. These composites are mainly made of carbon fiber and polymers called thermosets. They are not reshapable because of thermosets. Thermosets used in strong, lightweight composites have a highly interconnected molecular structure that makes it hard for them to be reshaped. My task as an organic chemist is to redesign thermosets and impart reshapability to them. To do that, I will modify their chemical structure by inserting a special type of bond called dynamic bonds that could move around, allowing sorted flow in the material, which enables reshaping of thermosets. This kind of modified thermoset is called a Vitrimer. So far, in my PhD, I have developed a modified thermoset or Vitrimer that can be reshaped. It can also adhere to itself, which means that multiple layers can be stacked together when thicker car parts are needed. Additionally, I am interested in exploring ways to enhance the strength and stability of my material. To achieve this, I intend to fine-tune its chemical structure by modifying 3 molecular design factors. Afterwards, I will combine my Vitrimers with carbon fiber to create composites, which will then be subjected to testing to assess their shapeability and performance. So what lies ahead for us? I can imagine a future where cars are more lightweight, leading to less fuel consumption, greater financial savings for families, and increased sustainability. Made possible by reshapable composites from Vitrimers, the vibranium of tomorrow.